SoFi or Capital One 360? Which is a better bank to have your checking and savings accounts in 2024? These are two of my favorite banks right now, but find out which one comes out on top. How both banks are similar. No fees or minimums, including no overdraft fees. With both, you can overdraft your account and you won't be charged a fee. You can get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. Their mobile and web apps are well designed, intuitive, and easy to use. Both give you access to plenty of fee-free ATMs, 55,000 plus with SoFi and 70,000 plus with Capital One. Both savings accounts allow you to save for individual goals. This is important to me. I want to be able to set money aside on a recurring basis for any large purchase I'd like to make in the next year or two. You could save to go on your dream vacation, for a down payment on a home, an engagement ring, or what I was doing with SoFi this year, putting aside $50 per month for gifts for the holidays. By doing this, I have $600 plus interest earned set aside without having to go into debt to buy Christmas gifts. Now let's talk about how the banks are different. With SoFi, you can earn up to a $300 welcome bonus after you create your account and set up direct deposit. If you're interested in earning the bonus, I'll include a link to sign up in the description below. Capital One doesn't have any type of welcome offer. Checking account interest. Both pay interest on your checking account balance, which is better than almost all banks that pay no interest, but Capital One only pays 0.1% APY and SoFi pays 0.5% APY, 5 times higher than Capital One. If you want to deposit cash into your account, Capital One is better because you can deposit $999 5 times per month at a freestanding CVS store without paying a fee. With SoFi, you'll pay a fee of $4.95 each time you want to deposit cash. If you want to send or receive money with Zelle, Capital One will allow you to do that, but SoFi doesn't give you direct access to Zelle. Savings account interest. Capital One pays 4.35% APY and SoFi pays 4.6% APY. This isn't a huge difference, and sometimes banks go back and forth between who has the higher rates on their high yield savings accounts. But over the last 2 years, as the Fed has raised interest rates, Capital One has consistently had a lower rate than SoFi. One downside with SoFi's high savings account interest rate is that you have to have direct deposit set up or deposit $5,000 or more per month into your account to earn this rate. If you don't get paid through direct deposit, it doesn't make sense to save with SoFi. Also right now, I've been saving less with SoFi, being that there are other banks out there right now that are offering up to 5.3% APY. If you want to see which banks those are, check out my top high yield savings account video in the description below. Offers and discounts. SoFi has local deals where you can earn up to 10% cash back, but in Lansing, Michigan, where my family lives, there were only a couple offers for 4% cash back. Capital One offers will show up when you log in your Capital One account. You'll receive cash back as statement credits, and there are quite a few options here. There's also Capital One Shopping, which has even more offers, but you can only redeem your earnings as gift cards. They both have travel portals. With SoFi, you'll receive discounts when booking hotels. Capital One's travel portal is beneficial if you're paying with one of Capital One's venture credit cards. If possible, I like to use fewer financial institutions without sacrificing the quality of what I'm getting. It's easier for me to manage a lot of my finances with just a few companies, and both Capital One and SoFi have plenty of other great financial products. I invest with SoFi Invest. They have taxable brokerage accounts as well as traditional Roth and SEP IRAs. You can invest in stocks, ETFs. They also have a robo-advisor that will create a portfolio for you. All of this without any fees. With the SoFi credit card, you'll earn 2% cash back on all of your spending. You can also get a $50 bonus by signing up for the card with my referral link in the description below. SoFi offers multiple types of loans: mortgages, student loans, auto loan refinancing, and personal loans. They also offer the following types of insurance: life, home, renters, and auto. Within the SoFi app, you can use Relay for budgeting to track your spending. You connect your other banks, credit cards, etc., and you'll be able to see everything all in one place. Capital One credit cards. Two of my favorite credit cards right now are the Capital One Venture X card and the Saver One card. If you want to learn about the benefits of either of the cards, I have full review videos down below in the description. Capital One also offers CDs, auto loans, and business credit cards. Why not have both accounts? There's no cost to having them. I'm happy with the setup I have now. I use Capital One to occasionally receive money with Zelle and to deposit cash, and then transfer the money to my SoFi checking account where I'll earn 5 times the interest. For my savings, I transfer money to a bank where I can earn even higher than the 4.6% APY that SoFi is currently offering. If you want to learn how to earn 5.3% APY through Raisin, a platform that offers the highest savings account interest rates right now, check out the video right here. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.